You're listening to EU Audio. Listen, learn, lead. Adopting new technologies. Industrial machines typically have long service lives, so it isn't uncommon for SMEs to use machines that are decades old in critical applications. However, those same businesses now want to take advantage of Industry 4.0 and the Industrial Internet of Things, or IIoT, which presents them with a challenge. What is the best way of combining new technology and legacy equipment? It is commonplace for industrial machines that are decades old to still be at the heart of operations on the factory floor. However, because of their age, these machines lack the connectivity capability necessary to fully harness the potential of Industry 4.0 and the IIoT. For example, old equipment that communicates via proprietary protocols using serial cables is not suited to remote monitoring across the Internet Protocol Suite, commonly known as the TCP/IP. Typically, SMEs have much lower spending power than multinationals, so creating a smart factory isn't as simple as just replacing old machines with new ones. The dilemma facing plant managers is that if a machine is still in full working order and performs adequately, they cannot justify the cost of replacing large industrial machines with newer models. So, what can they do instead? Legacy equipment wasn't designed for the mass machine-to-machine communication necessary to create a smart factory. But that doesn't mean that it's impossible to achieve that level of communication without replacing all your machines and equipment. Instead, the communication capability required can be added to your existing equipment by retrofitting it with compatible smart technology. The ABB Ability Smart Sensor for motors is just one example of smart technology that can be retrofitted to legacy equipment. The sensor monitors and reports on motor performance data to help manufacturers understand motor status, such as vibrations or bearing condition. Furthermore, by using the web portal, users receive status updates and maintenance recommendations, which enables engineers to plan maintenance schedules more efficiently. Smart sensors retrofitted onto legacy equipment in this way can be used to monitor machine parameters like temperature, pressure, and vibrations, allowing the data to be recorded and transmitted across the factory network. This helps plant managers and engineers to implement a predictive maintenance strategy because if a smart sensor detects a problem with a machine's component, replacement parts can be ordered before any unplanned machine downtime occurs. By combining tried and tested legacy equipment with emerging smart technologies, SMEs can attain the goal of creating a smart factory without the financial burden of replacing all their machines and equipment. Not only that, but upgrading industrial machines, rather than replacing them, is the more environmentally friendly approach to upgrading a factory. To find out more about retrofitting legacy equipment with smart technology and to order new, reconditioned and obsolete parts, visit www.EUAutomation.com. EU Audio is brought to you by EU Automation.